Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting for your health and wellness journey. If you've been searching for a natural way to combat inflammation, you're in for a treat. Let's talk about a remarkable product that's making waves in the wellness community, an anti-inflammatory tea that's even more powerful than green tea and turmeric. Now, you might be wondering, how can a tea outshine these well-known superfoods? Well, this tea is crafted from a unique blend of scientifically backed ingredients that work synergistically to reduce inflammation in the body. Research shows that chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, so finding effective solutions is crucial. What sets this tea apart is its rich profile of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Ingredients like ginger, cinnamon, and certain herbal extracts have been shown to support your body's natural defenses. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of tea that not only tastes great, but also helps soothe your body from the inside out. And here's the best part, this tea is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it in the morning to kickstart your day, or as a calming evening ritual, it's a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness arsenal. Plus, it's caffeine-free, making it a perfect choice for any time of day. So, if you're ready to take a step towards better health, consider giving this anti-inflammatory tea a try. Your body will thank you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and product insights. Here's to your health and happiness.